just trying to videotape Tyler. This is just too funny. You gotta see this poor kid. Got his eyes closed and he's still drumming his guitar. Tyler.
What?
You sleeping?
I can't see. Now stop it.